Today I wanted to show you our best-selling Aquarius Pro Valet carpet cleaning machine. We've been selling this model now for about 13 years, but this is the updated version. We've probably sold just over 100,000 units now, so it's a really popular carpet cleaning machine. One of the main features and benefits of it is that it's just so simple and easy to use, because you've got lightweight tools. So, you know, whether you're 86 years of age or 25 years of age, it's nice and easy to use. So when you receive your Pro Valet, it'll come in this nice big heavy duty box. There's all sorts of polystyrene around it, so it's really well protected, so it'll get to you in one piece. The unit itself is 240 volt, so it just runs on a normal household socket. Comes on a nice big long cable as well. Now you've got two big non-marking wheels on the back and a couple of smaller caster wheels on the front, so it'll manoeuvre quite happily over your carpet. Nice carry handle on the top, and on the back here you'll see two yellow switches. One of them's for the vacuum and one of them is for the spray, because after all this is what's known as a spray extraction machine. So it'll spray a detergent deep into your carpet pile and then you can vacuum it all out with all the dirt as well. So I'll show you the various components of the machine. So first of all, you've got a cover held on by two clips, one on the front, one on the back, and that whole lid will just lift off then. Inside the unit you've got two tanks, one for clean water, which is this one here. You've got two little valves here that run down to the actual detergent pump. It just sits on top there. And then you've also got a waste bucket with a little carry handle on. So your clean water on one side and your dirty water ends up in the other. Your hose that comes with the machine, big long hose, it's 3 meters long, and one end goes into the front of the head, and you've also got a little detergent pipe that clips into the front as well. And get two lots of tools that come with it. You've got the handheld upholstery tool. It's got a little trigger mechanism on there, and you also get a long stainless steel floor tool for doing big carpeted areas as well. So one of the key features of the Pro Valet is its really powerful 1100 watt motor. That gives you an airflow of 46 litres per second, but what that basically means is it really does suck. So when you're spraying the detergent down, it will vacuum all of that detergent back up and leave your carpet nice and dry. Of course, you also get a really powerful detergent pump. So it pushes out 4 bar pressure at 2 litres per minute. So it'll spray deeply into the pile and then you can vacuum all the dirt out. So I've connected up the floor wand to the trigger mechanism here. You'll see the floor is, well, it's terrible because we've made it terrible. Although on most of your carpets, then you're just going to be picking up the sort of in-ground dirt. We've made it a little bit more difficult for ourselves because we've literally rubbed soil and mud into the carpet and trampled it in as well. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to spray detergent over the dirty carpet, and then I'm going to vacuum and spray at the same time and really get it deep into the pile, and you can see the results that we're going to get. So I'm going to spray first. So you can clearly see that obviously all that mud and dirt is now gone. I mean, I can see from this angle as well that the bit that I haven't done, which appeared clean, isn't clean, clearly. That was obviously with the big floor one there, with the jets on underneath. So one of the main purposes and uses of the Pro Valet is with the upholstery tool, doing car seats and upholstery. So I'm going to give it a spray, soften it up a little bit, and then vacuum all the dirt off. So that's the Pro Valet upholstery tool doing what it does. If you check out the website and you can look on YouTube, you'll see lots of car detailers have put independent videos up of the Pro Valet as well, and they, you know, all love it too. So that's the Aquarius Pro Valet carpet cleaning machine.